Hello there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the SHAREit application to Android TV without Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So on my Android TV, I'm going to go over to my app stores and you can see I do not have Google Play Store installed. So what I'm going to use is my browser, and this works with any browser. You can try it on your Android TV, and if it works for you, let me know. On your browser, what you are going to do is to search for the name application, which in this case is a SHAREit. So I'm just going to type SHAREit. Oh, as you can see on my result page, share the application here. So I'm just going to click on this option and you see there are many options for the SHAREit application. But this is what we're looking for here. If you go over to the option here, this is the SHAREit application. So if I click on it here, and if it's an Android TV, you're going to get the install button as you can see on my screen here. I can just go over here and I click install. Now I want to see this works on an Android TV. If your TV is not an Android TV, then this might not work for you. But if it's an Android TV, it's because it has an Android operating system, and this is going to work for you. And since this is an Android app, it is going to adjust to your TV size once it's downloaded and installed. Now, if the first option doesn't work for you for some reason, you can come over to third-party sites like this one, where you can download and install the same application. So as you can see, here's a third-party site in which you can install the application to your Android TV. But you just use a third-party site if the first option doesn't work for you. If the first option works for you, then you don't need to use a third-party site. So this is the first option, which is the web version of Google Play Store, and I can download the application and install without any issues. So here is it, the application is downloaded. Once it's done downloading, it's going to install. And please, I want to repeat, if your TV is an Android TV, then once the application is downloaded, it is going to adjust to your Android TV system. And that's how these applications do work. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.